In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday Docs in monday.com. We'll walk through the basics step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a document inside a board and start using it with your team. First, make sure you're logged into your monday.com account and that you're on the correct workspace. From there, start by selecting a project, which in Monday is usually organized as a board. On the left-hand side, you'll see your list of boards. Click on the board that represents the project where you want to create your Monday doc. This could be a project board, a team board, or any other board where your work is organized. Choosing the right board is important because your doc will live alongside the task and information for that specific project. Once your board is open, look toward the top of the screen for the plus sign. This is usually near your existing views, like Main Table, Kanban, or Gantt. Click on the plus sign to add a new view. Think of this plus button as your entry point for creating different ways to look at your project information, and Monday Docs is one of those options. After you click the plus sign, a menu will appear with a list of different view types you can add. From this list, find and click on Monday Docs. This tells Monday that you want to create a new document that's directly connected to your board. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the options or use any search field that might appear to quickly locate Monday Docs. As soon as you select Monday Docs, a new document window will open inside your board. At this point, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Monday.com will usually guide you through a quick setup process. You may be asked to name your doc, choose whether it's private or shared with the board, and you'll see a blank page ready for you to type. Use these prompts to set up your doc in a way that matches your needs. For example, give it a clear title so your teammates can recognize it instantly, like Project Brief or Meeting Notes. Then begin typing directly in the document. You can format text, add sections, and start building out your content as you would in any modern text editor. That's all you need to get started. Select your project board, click the plus sign, choose Monday Docs, and follow the on-screen instructions to create and begin using your new doc.